Okay, so this is not ready yet because we see some lumps of cheese, mascarpone cheese. So what we're gonna do is we will do the final round of mixing. So you have to do a one-way round of mixing. Do not do everywhere you want. It should be one way always. I'll do a turbo. I'll put a bit of sugar. Okay. So I think this is okay now. Oh. Because I want to clean that, because I want to clean this one, what I do is I clean it like this one. But make sure that you have to be careful that you're not sprinkling or scattering the cream on your kitchen. So the mascarpone with the egg yolk is done. Here, it's done.